Each room has a view. Balcony dito. Every apartment has a big balcony. That's my old job up there. That one there. That's my old job. I was there for 5 years. Look at that thing. No one's on the pool. Oh yeah, there's. Ayan. Last room. Last arrival room. Ang ganda ng panahon today. Our last room to clean. Ito yung view. This is the view. So beautiful. And my swimming pool dyan. And here's our room. We're done.